Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cohesity Data Security detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have the necessary hardware and software prerequisites for installing Cohesity Data Security. Download the latest Cohesity Data Security installation package from the official website. Verify that your system meets the required specifications before starting the installation process. Open the installation package on your server or designated machine. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the installation wizard. Read the license agreement carefully, then accept the terms to proceed. Select the installation directory where you would like to install the Cohesity software. Choose the components you wish to install, making sure to include data security features. Configure the network settings by entering your IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS settings. Review the installation summary to ensure all configurations are correct. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take several minutes. Once the installation is finished, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Reboot your system if prompted to apply the changes made during the installation. After the reboot, navigate to the Cohesity Data Security application on your device. Log in using the administrator credentials provided during the installation process. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and the various features available. Set up initial configurations, such as user roles and permissions, for your organization's needs. Begin integrating your existing data sources into the Cohesity platform for enhanced security management. Regularly check for software updates to ensure optimal performance and security. Document any changes made during the installation for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.